Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Computer, and today in this video we have an HP laptop with the model series 15SDU, and the problem for this laptop is the charging point. Here you can see there is a loose charging point here. The power adapter of this laptop is power on, and here you can see there is no charging light can be seen here. But if I move this cable here and there, you can see that the charging light comes and goes because there is a loose connection in the DC jack and the charging pin. So we don't have doubt on the charger because the charger is new, so the doubt is on the DC jack of this laptop. So in this video I am going to show you how you can replace the DC jack for this laptop. And one more problem for this laptop is for the cooling fan. Whenever the user switch on this laptop, if I show you here, if we switch on this laptop, there is the power on the laptop, and whenever the display comes here, you can see that there is an error. The system has detected that a cooling fan is not operating correctly. Continued operation is not recommended and may cause unpredictable behavior that could result in random shutdown. So this error lies with the cooling fan. The cooling fan is also faulty. So in this video we are going to replace the DC jack and the cooling fan for this laptop, and I will guide you how you can do this very easily. For this we have already purchased a DC jack connector for this laptop and the cooling fan for this laptop, and I will show you how you can do this very easily by yourself. So let's open this laptop. So to open this laptop we have some screws present on the bottom side. We will open these screws. And after removing the screws, we will open this laptop base by holding this portion, and it can be easily removed. So after removing the back cover, here you can see this is the internal portion of this laptop, and this is the cooling fan which we are going to replace. Here you can see this fan is completely stuck and needs replacement. So we will replace this fan. And the other part we are going to replace is this charging DC jack here, and it can be easily removed as it is not an inbuilt part for the motherboard. It is connected with the cable here, and it can be easily replaced. So to replace this DC jack we have to open this hinge, because this hinge is holding this DC jack connector, and we have to remove this connecting cable to access the fan area. So let's open this hinge and remove this cable. But before removing this cable or any other part from the motherboard side, we have to take care that we have removed the power source for the laptop, and the power source is the battery. So first of all we will remove this battery. And the battery can be easily removed by removing some screws, holding it down with the touchpad. Here we have removed the battery, and now it is safe to remove any other connection from the board. This is the connecting cable. This is the fan. Fan is having a single screw here. And here is the connector for this fan. This is the fan unit, and we have a new fan for this laptop, and this is the DC jack connector. And this is the new DC jack connector for this laptop. So first we will remove the old one. And here you can see this is the DC jack, and we have to open this PCB also. So we will remove this PCB also. This is the USB PCB, and under this PCB there is some cable section, and now this cable and this connector can be easily removed. And here you can see it is glued with this section, so we will remove this waste glue. And here I have cleaned this section, removed the extra glue which was holding this connector. Now we'll place the new connector here, and we will place this new cable as we remove the old one. And here we have aligned this cable. Now we will put this PCB back and put the screws. And after placing this PCB, now we will connect the fan. And here we can see it is moving smooth, and the old one was struck completely. So now we will place this new fan. First we will connect the connector here. And then we will place the fan. Okay, our fan is also placed, and now we will connect this cable, the DC jack cable, with the board. And here we have placed the connector also. And after placing the DC jack connector, now we will close this hinge, and we'll place the screws. And then we will place this Wi-Fi cable. Okay, and at last we will connect this connecting cable for the USB PCB. First we will connect from the motherboard side. And then we will connect it with the USB PCB. And it is done. So here we have connected the DC jack connector, the fan, the cables we opened, and also fixed the hinge. And now we will place the battery. Okay, now we have placed the battery also, and we'll put the cover back. And we'll fix the screws. And after packing the laptop back, now we have to check the connection between the charging pin and the DC jack connector. And here is the charging pin, and we will slide it inside. And here you can see that our charging light is stable now. And if we move this cable, the charging light is stable, it is not flickering. Now one problem is sorted out, and the other was with the fan. Now here we will power on this laptop. Here we have power on the laptop, and there should be no error for the fan. And here you can see our Windows is booting without any error at the startup. So here you can see our Windows has booted without any startup error for the fan. And we have also fixed the loose connection problem between the charging pin and the DC jack connector by replacing the DC jack with the new one, and we have fixed the fan error by replacing the faulty fan with the new one. So friends, in this video I showed you how you can replace the cooling fan and the DC jack connector for this laptop model. So if you like this video, please give me a like, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like this. I will be bringing more info videos like this for you. And thanks for watching, and thanks for being in this video with me. Thank you friends. Thank you.